Hey friends, today I will explain how join TikTok's Creator Fund and will make money possible $50,000 plus every month. TikTok uses its Creator Fund to encourage popular TikTokers to keep creating engaging content. As a creator, once you have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views over the last 30 days, you have the potential to start earning money. The Creator Fund provides an opportunity for you to earn money doing what you love. The amount you earn is based on a number of factors, including the number of views, authenticity of views, and level of engagement on your content. To start earning with TikTok's Creator Fund, you do need to apply through the Pro/Creator account. If you want, make money from TikTok, then create an account and earn money every month. Possible earning $50,000 every month if you can grow your account. Account will grow your quality, attractive video. If you love me, then follow and subscribe my account. Thank you.